WordPress is an easy-to-use but effective content management system. You could discover it with quick WordPress help. The great thing is that there's numerous free WordPress assistants accessible. We have shown the ways in creating a site, including the current themes, install important plugins, and develop new web pages. You can construct robust specialized websites using WordPress that can do a lot more. Making a website with a wiki knowledge base. Making a website with questions and answers. Making a web directory. Making a website for a job board. Making multilingual websites. Creating a review site. Setting up a discount site. Creating a website for members. Producing your podcast. Including an online shop.